So here I have the DeepCool Gammaxx 400 CPU air cooler. So today what I'll be doing is doing a little unboxing, and I'm going to also show you how to install it. So let's start with getting this thing out of the box. Opening it up, we have the cooler. Comes with a fan, I believe. I don't think it is on this model, but on some of them you can have a blue LED fan, which is kind of nice and cool. And then the only other thing in the box is this little smaller box that has all of your accessories in it. What this is going to be is your adapters for whatever platform you're on, AMD or Intel. Take these out here. So as you can see, you have your different sockets and things like that. So I'm going to show you how to install this cooler on a motherboard. So first of all, what we're going to do is on the back here, we're going to take this little cover off. That will expose the copper heat pipes so that they can make contact with the CPU. What's actually kind of nice is that this cooler, it doesn't even need to come with a manual. The way to install each CPU style, the socket style for the cooler, is just on top of the box. So you can see right here we have the LGA 775, that's for like your Core 2 Duos, LGA 115X for your Core i5s and Core i7s, and then your LGA 20XX, which is like for Xeons and high-end CPUs like 3960X, 4960X, that kind of thing. So it's all right there. What I have here is a Core i7 3770 on this lovely Asus board. So what I've done is I've already prepped this cooler. I've prepared it with the LGA 115X style brackets. So it's just these two little pieces of metal right here, and then these 4 included screws just go on the bottom, and you're basically good to go. So now what I'm going to show you how to do is how to install this on your motherboard. So on the motherboard we have these, I've already have my i7 installed with some thermal compound on top of it, and then you're going to see these 4 holes around the CPU. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the little white feet here, and then we're just going to line them up and make sure that they all go in. Now it's good to kind of do this, go from one corner to the other corner, the opposite. All right, so you just press them all down in there, and you gotta make sure to wiggle them, make sure they're nice and tight. Feels good, everything feels good. So I'm going to put the fan back on now. And then the fan, you can clip it to whatever side you want. I'm using this as an exhaust fan, so it'll be blowing out the back of the case. So I just clip it onto the back, like so. And there we are. I'll probably make it sit a little bit lower than that. All right, there we go. And that is how you install the DeepCool Gammaxx 400. Hopefully you found this pretty useful. It's a pretty good air cooler. You can usually find this for about $20 to $25. It's much better than any Intel stock cooler, and it's gonna keep your CPU nice and cool. Of course, this is a locked CPU, so I'm not too worried about heat, but every little bit helps. So yeah, if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.